If you're a small YouTuber and your videos are getting 0 views, this 2-minute hack will change everything. I'm going to show you the hidden settings that most creators don't even know exist. Here's the brutal truth. When you're a new channel, YouTube has no idea what your content is about or who should see it, so your videos get buried. But YouTube actually tells us how to fix this. According to YouTube, new channels must rely on metadata, your titles, descriptions, and other signals to help the algorithm understand your content. But there are 3 secret settings that most creators never touch that literally teach the algorithm who you are, who should see your videos, and get YouTube to start recommending your content to the right people. I'm about to walk you through each one. So let's start with the first one, channel keywords. These are invisible keywords that describe your entire channel, not just individual videos. Here's how. Click your profile photo, go to YouTube Studio, then click Settings, then Channel. You'll see a keyword section that 99% of creators leave empty. Add broad keywords like fitness or finance or whatever your channel is about, but also add long tail phrases your audience actually searches for. Instead of just fitness, add how to lose weight fast or home workout routines. As a regular viewer browsing YouTube, you can't actually see these keywords that channels are using to help the algorithm push their content to the right viewers. But with the TubeBuddy extension installed, you can spy on a channel's keywords. That means you can go look at the biggest channels in your niche, see exactly what keywords they're using, and model what's working for them. The second hack is in the Upload Default settings. In that same menu, click Upload Defaults. This is gold because every video you upload will automatically include these descriptions and tags. What I want you to do here is write a description about your channel, what it's about, who you help, what topics you cover. If you need help, just look at this video's description. But think about this like your elevator pitch for your channel. Now, every time you upload a new video, YouTube will automatically populate this entire description. And above it, you can just add whatever custom description you have for that specific video. This saves a load of time and makes sure that each video has detailed information in the description that helps the algorithm push your video to the right viewers. Now for the third and final setting. Default tags. This one is massive for new channels because tags are one of the main things that YouTube relies on when your channel is brand new and the algorithm doesn't have enough data about your content yet. You'll find this in the same Upload Default section. What you want to do is add about 2 to 5 tags that describe your channel as a whole. These tags will automatically be added to every single video you upload. No extra work, no remembering to add them manually. Just like with keywords, you want to make sure you use a mix of broad terms with long tail phrases. These 3 settings work together like a GPS for the algorithm. They tell YouTube exactly where to drive your content, so your videos can get recommended to more people.